Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yaje here with another gardening video. Today's video is going to be about the papaya fruit, papaya or pawpaw as we called it in Cameroon, where I am originally from. So guys, in 2021 I experimented with growing papaya or pawpaw in my backyard here in zone 9A in Houston, Texas, and a couple of you have been asking me questions about what became of the papaya that I was cultivating. So I thought I should come here and share with you updates and also just what I learned about growing papaya in my garden here in zone 9A. Again, the papaya is a tropical fruit and I have seen it do well. At least my neighbors around here, I see some people growing papaya. So I thought it could, do well in zone 9A. And here in zone 9A, we have winters, but our winters are not very severe. Sometimes we can get through a winter season without any snow or like sub-freezing temperatures for too long. So our winters are relatively mild. And so yeah, I thought, even though papaya is a tropical fruit, I could try growing it here. So I got my papaya seeds from somebody who, again, I knew had cultivated papaya before. They gave me the seeds and I planted the seeds. It germinated after a while, which I later on learned, because I got the seeds like dry seeds. I later on learned that it is better to start papaya from the fresh seeds because the dry seeds lose their viability. It is best to start papaya from the fresh seeds anyway. So I got the seeds, nursed them. It took a while for them to germinate. It took more than a month, and that's again because the seeds were dry. After they germinated, I put them in bags, like little nursery bags, and later on transplanted them in ground. And the papaya, they took off and did very well throughout the summer and early fall. They bore a lot of fruits. I was very, very hopeful for my papaya plants. And then winter came and they did not survive the winter. So yeah, papaya plants are exquisitely sensitive to cold temperatures. And if the temperature drops to freezing, they're gonna kill your papaya plants. So how do you then protect your papaya plants throughout the winter? Because if they can survive the winter, then you definitely harvest a lot of fruits. The key to growing papaya outside of the tropics is to figure out how to manage that winter season. If you do not get lazy as I am and implement a few tips, then your papaya plants can survive. And by few tips, what am I talking about? I have seen my neighbors cover their papaya plants with what's it called, like a blanket, the warming blanket. I think it has a name. Let me drink my coffee. It has a name, but the thing that you cover your plants with when it gets cold. So yeah, get that and cover your papaya plants religiously. I think these people watch the weather forecast all the time, and if the temperature is going to drop anywhere close to freezing, they cover their papaya plants. So if you do that, I am sure that your plants can survive the winter, and then you will have a lot of fruit in the spring and in the summer and enjoy a lot of papaya fruits that way. I also came up with another idea, which is precisely what I decided to do this year. So I thought, instead of starting the papaya from seeds in the spring and then just around when they are bearing a lot of fruit, winter is here and then you have to go through all that winter, cover your plants jazz. What if I started my papaya from seeds in the fall, like right now, around October, right? So that the papaya plants are not too big, because if they germinate and I plant them in containers, then I can easily be able to cover them with the blanket instead of covering a tall, even though the papaya plant grows quite tall. Instead of having to cover that tall plant in the winter, I can cover plants that are relatively shorter if I choose to leave them outside, or I can be able to take that whole thing inside the house during the winter and manage it that way until spring gets here. Then I can then bring my plants outside and plant them in ground. That is precisely what I am going to do this year. I started the experiment already, which I will share the results with you here. So if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so, and I will share that papaya journey for you. Actually, it's been about 1 week since I started the papaya from seeds. And again, I am going to share the journey with you. I keep looking here because this is right, in this container right here is where I've planted the seeds, and I'm still waiting to get a germination. So yeah, I hope this answers the question for you. If you are in like zone 9, Texas, Florida, Arizona, you can definitely experiment with growing this papaya fruit. Very nutritious, yummy. I really like papaya a lot. It is great for digestion. So yeah, try growing it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.